Hey guys, it's Freya and Charlie. Welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is a breakfast recipe that's sweet, seasonal and absolutely delicious.
Yes, we are going to be making a sweet roasted fig breakfast bowl, and we're going to be using figs because they're in season right now. We're going to be roasting them in some maple syrup, some cinnamon, some allspice. They're going to be delicious, very earthy, sweet. Just like
proper nice autumnal round, ready for the day, warming, cuddly, hugging flavours.
Any more to add? It's like a magic fig that just does more than any fig's ever done before. So we're going to be serving that with a very creamy, rich dairy-free yogurt, and then we've got a few other delicious toppings which you will find out about later on in the video.
Figs are in season at the moment. We love cooking with seasonal fruit and veg. And another great fruit at the moment is apples. It is apple season. In fact, we made a really good cinnamon brown sugar baked apple porridge the other day. And if you want to check that out, go and watch our autumnal what I ate in a day video.
Yes, it's got very similar flavours to this breakfast bowl. So if you like those kind of sweet, spicy, autumnal breakfast flavours, then you will love that porridge that we made. So we're going to get started with the cooking.
To make our warming fig and yoghurt bowl, you're obviously going to need some figs, so that is where we're going to start. We've used 2 figs per person, which you're going to want to cut in half. Place your fig halves into a baking tray and then grab pecans and add them into the same dish. Next, we're going to add some fresh herbs, and we're using chopped rosemary. We love the taste of rosemary with sweet flavours, but if you wanted to get a little bit creative, you could use any of your favourite herbs. Then we're going to add our spice mix to the figs and pecan, which is simply cinnamon, allspice and a pinch of salt. Next, add in some maple syrup and give it a good mix.
So I've used my hands to mix this all together. As you can see, it's a little bit messy, but you can use a spoon. You just need to make sure that everything is covered and mixed together properly.
Cook in the oven for 15 minutes.
We've got our figs and pecans out of the oven and they honestly smell incredible. They look amazing too, and these are now going to go on our delicious creamy dairy-free yogurt. You can obviously use any vegan yogurt that you want. We are going to be using the Oatly Greek style yogurt, and we think this is the best vegan yogurt. It's so creamy, it's delicious. It doesn't have that soya flavour that a lot of yogurts have. It's just the perfect yogurt in our opinion. So let's get into it.
It's super simple to plate up. All you're going to do is pop your figs and pecans on top of the vegan yogurt. Don't forget to pour some of that lovely maple syrup from the baking tray over too. We don't want to waste any of that sugary spiced goodness. Then drizzle over some lovely creamy almond butter and top with fresh herbs and a last little drop of maple syrup.
Gonna try and do it all in one.
You're gonna get a bit of everything.
I think I'm gonna regret.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
Do you want me to take that from you?
No bad idea. That was delicious.
Yeah, we're having this again.
The nuts are so good. The spices aren't too much. They're just like the right amount. I'd say.
You could swap out the almond butter for peanut butter if you wanted to. I totally recommend the almond butter because it is absolutely delicious in this.
A pecan butter. I don't know if it exists.
I'm sure it does.
Make your own.
Yeah.
It just all ties in those like lovely, earthy, nutty flavours. Love it. So you don't have to have this on yogurt. You could cook the figs and the pecans exactly how we've done it here, but you could do it on toast. If you wanted something a little bit more filling, then you could go for pancakes and waffles. Basically, I think these sweet cinnamony figs and pecans are just the perfect topping for any of your breakfasts. So, you know, you've got your porridge, muesli, toast, like I said, anything. This is just the perfect sweet breakfast topping.
So that is our sweet roasted fig and yogurt breakfast bowl. It is well simple to make, but honestly, it feels proper special to eat.
It's the perfect weekend, cozy, autumnal breakfast. It's not your average porridge or toast or whatever, like it's just a little bit more...
A little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more autumnal razzle dazzle.
Yes, so if you like the sound of this recipe, then make sure you subscribe because we have lots more delicious recipes and vegan inspo coming very soon. So give us a sub.
We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.